Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been inactive, but I came back with a new and improved everyday video. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Alright, well, I've already taken the pleasure of starting my eye makeup, my eyebrows. I did my eyebrows with my Anastasia pomade in Ebony. I couldn't wear it, I couldn't find it. I cleaned up with my MAC NW20 and filled them in with, with powder. And for my eyes, I used the Urban Decay Christina Leanne palette. I used 1212 and Daydream for the crease-ish. And for the lid, I used Lucy, which is the pale color. What are you doing? And then for lashes, I used Nudes from Lash Pop. Hello. How are you? Say hello to everybody. Say hello. What is that?
Es un papi.
¿Eso no de papi? ¿Ese es mío?
No, es de daddy.
No, eso no de daddy. Ese es mío. No, ese es mío. Okay, well, since I'm doing a foundation kind of video, I'm going to jump in with my Pearl Filter Instant Matte by Fenty. Wondering, the baby is my 2.5-year-old nephew. It happened to be with us today. I'm going to use Fenty's Pearl Filter in 220. So we're gonna drench this.
Dada.
Other side. See, we're starting to get one color out here. Looking okay. I have literally no idea what's going on in my living room right now. Alright, since we're covered up now, I'm going to use my Shape Tape Concealer in medium. Girl, we need it after our vacation. Concealer. I gotta go buy some. The bridge of the nose, the tip of the nose. Looking like a hot mess out here. Alright, now I'm gonna take my contour stick, this is from Maybelline Fit. This is 330. What are you doing? Hello? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Right there. So right there?
It goes right there? We're starting to look a little snatched. I swear he only loves me like half the time. Now I gotta set this before it goes like crazy. And Cover FX translucent lights. We're gonna let this sit for like 5 seconds. I'm gonna take my Morphe G37 brush. I'm gonna take my Too Faced Cocoa Powder Foundation. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué tú tienes en la boca? ¿Qué es eso? Take it off.
What is it?
French Anastasia, which is in the color Rosewood. I'm gonna take my Y9 brush.
Is real. I don't.
to do.
Either. Yeah.
No, eso no va ahí.
Oh, this.
Uh-oh.
Here's this.
No way. What's up? Now this is the blush trio from Anastasia and Pink Passion. I'm going to take the one on the farthest, which is basically, right? No, it's Rose. Go back on top to smooth out a contour so it doesn't look so harsh. Now I'm gonna take my R36, which is like a highlight brush. I'm gonna use the Emery. It's making a hot.
This.
Oh. Ooh. Like it? You like it? Yeah. ¿Quién es ese? Same colors I use for the top, for the bottom. Alex, what are you doing? Yeah. This is an R41. I'm going to take that 12 color and...
What verá? It's in it. Yes. Order.
This is a
Chic.
M562 and put Daydream. What is that? And to finish it off, I'm going to use my Gifted Tarte mascara.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap!
Oh.
No way. And for lips, I'm going to use my Slow Burn by Marc Jacobs. Did you get stuck? Sugar, a lip gloss from Marc Jacobs. This is my skin routine, my everyday look. Everything simple that you need.